We live in an age of instant everything, but deliveries still get stuck on roads, traffic, delays, rising fuel costs, missed timelines. For quick commerce, food and e-commerce brands, minutes decide customer trust. Yet last mile delivery remains slow, expensive and inefficient. The problem isn't demand, it's how fast you can reach the customer. In India, that bottleneck met the sky. Skye Air Mobility, India's fastest growing hyperlocal drone delivery platform, reimagined last mile logistics from the ground up. At its core, AI-powered autonomous drones. No traffic, no road dependency, direct point-to-point delivery in minutes. But speed alone isn't enough. Skye Air built its own unmanned traffic management system, a proprietary UTM that ensures safe navigation, precise routing, and reliable operations at scale. This approach reduces dependence on road-based logistics for short distances. It allows deliveries to move directly between fulfillment points and customers, cutting delivery times in dense urban environments. This isn't experimentation, it's infrastructure. In 2025 alone, Skye Air has completed over 20 lakh deliveries. Looking ahead to 2026, Skye Air is focused on scaling intra-city drone delivery, where speed matters most. Medical logistics, urgent documents, time-critical quick commerce orders. Deliveries that once felt futuristic will soon feel expected. For the customer, it means no more waiting. What you need reaches you when you need it, because your time should never be the bottleneck.